What is up, everyone? Welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Carlos, licensed broker. I've helped over thousands of individuals and families get the health coverage that they need. And today we have a new video for my agents out there, my new agents, how to get to a six-figure mark selling ACA. As an ACA agent, it is possible to make six figures. It's possible to make way more than that due to the nature of the business. I'm going to be teaching you how you can get there, what steps to take, how to improve your current sales. So let's get into it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you there. First, get started with the numbers. I love to make the numbers. So how many clients do you actually need in order to make $100,000 a year? So for those of you who are trying to get into the ACA business, or you're kind of new, usually off the bat, it's between $25 to $30 per member per month. So you're going to get paid around $25 to $30 for every member that you enroll every month. As long as they are paying for their plan, as long as their plan is active, that's how much you can expect to make. So if we do some quick math, $300 times $30 per member per month equals an income of around $9,000 a month. So all you need to make $9,000 a month, which is way past, not way past, but more than $100,000 a year, is 300 clients. Now that's on the high end. On the low end, maybe around 350 times 25, because you need more clients, because obviously you're getting paid less. It's gonna be around $8,750. So there's the math. Between 300 and 350 clients is going to be your goal if you want to reach this figure, right? Six-figure mark, $100,000 mark. Now, I'm telling you right now, it's possible. I mean, I know agents making triple, quadruple, quintuple this amount in clients, right? And I work with them. They were my mentors. They are my mentors. So it's possible. I mean, this business, it continues to scale. As long as you're in the game, you get bigger and bigger, and your clients, your book of business grows. So how can you actually get to this amount? Because right now we know what it takes. It takes 300 to 350 clients, but how can you actually reach this amount? Real quick, guys, before we continue with the video, I want to shout out my course here that I've made. I've put countless of hours into making the best actual blueprint for new agents to succeed in the ACA insurance business. It'll teach you everything from right after you get your license to what to do, how to sell, how to close, how to read plans, how to explain it to people, how to enroll your clients, step-by-step guides on actually enrolling. You can hear my live sales calls. I will share my scripts with you guys. Everything you need from beginning to end, A through Z, a no BS guide to actually succeeding in the ACA space. Check it out, stan.store/saleswithcarlos. It's on the screen and you can check it out. Link in the description. I'll see you there. So right off the bat, I'm here to tell you that it's not going to be quick. It's going to take time, right? Once in your first year, it's going to be your toughest year. You should already expect that just because you don't have a book of business to kind of go off of. So I would say to start trying to build your book of business immediately, right? Whether you're an independent agent, it's going to be tougher, but it's going to be a lot more freedom versus if you are kind of working for an agency, maybe they cut your commissions in half since they're giving you a bunch of leads or whatever, right? So I'm an independent agent. I take home 100% of the profits. So I'm not connected with anybody. I don't go to an office, sit there 9 to 5 selling for them, right? I get to keep my own book of business. It's 100% mine. So obviously it's harder to start that, but it is possible. So start with your friends and families. Start trying to promote yourself, which I'm going to talk about it, but start with your friends and family. And this business is all about referrals. So if you really want to get to that 100K mark, it's all about referrals to start off, right? So start as soon as you get your few clients, treat them well. Retention is everything, right? Taking care of your clients is everything. I mean, I've gone such a long way in this business in a short amount of time, just because I take really, really good care of my clients. I ask the right questions. I follow up with them. congratulate them on their birthdays, things like that. These small little things make a huge difference because it builds referrals, keeps them on your mind, right? Don't be a one and done seller, right? You sell them once, you never speak to them again. That's horrible. You're never going to grow, right? So take care of your clients. I promise it's going to help you out and it's going to pay you in the long term. So referrals are everything. Starting with your friends and family is everything. If you're starting off as an independent agent, if your company gives you leads, perfect, right? So if you're not, then you are going to have to invest a little bit of money into leads, because leads are everything once you're starting off. I don't do leads right now at all, because I kind of have a steady flow of clients coming in through YouTube, through what I'm doing right now. So, and that's kind of what I want to talk about right now, is starting to promote yourself. Make videos on any platform, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, anything you got. Start Facebook Lives, whatever you need to do, start promoting yourself, because I promise you, people are going to come to you. Create educational content like I do, and people are going to come to you. I'm giving myself competition by just even talking about this, but there's room for everybody to grow and to make money. So I'm telling you right now, this number that you see on the screen, $9,000 a month, $8,750 a month, is very possible. It is very, very achievable, I promise you, okay? And the best thing about this is that once your clients are paying you every month, right, and they're keeping their policy active, you don't even need to work this, right? There's days where I could just sit at home and just do nothing if I really want to, because that's the beauty of this business. As an independent agent, that's what you could do, and that's worth way more than that $100,000 mark, okay? Just the ability to have a job where you could just chill and you can work at your own time, work at your own pace, and just build that residual income that pays you over time as the snowball gets bigger and bigger, okay? So if you're a new agent out there or you're trying to get into this business, guys, check out the links in the description. Tons of informational videos out there through our course here that we have made. I promise you, it'll take you from beginning to end on everything that you need to succeed in this business. Everything that's been taught to me, I've put it all in this course where there's a bunch of videos that you can check out, and I promise you it will help you and it will change your game, okay? Hopefully that helped you out a little bit. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. We post a bunch of free educational content for everybody out there, so make sure to like and subscribe. I will see you in another video. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.